Warm up muna.
Look, I just found
holidays, obviously.
yeah.
Here you go. Good morning. We're having a cricket game again today. So I think it's gonna be many of us today, hopefully. Nag-warm up na yung aking cricket partner. Hopefully loads of us today, so it will be a nice game. Ito yung mga bats na ginagamit namin para slight weight lang siya. Yung mga ball, ito. Hindi ito. We don't use this one. Something else. Oh, self-managing today. Ito yung bola. Very nice ball. White. Ito yung ginagamit namin sa cricket. Hindi yung normal cricket ball. Warm up ka nga, guys. Nanood kayo sa amin. Tingnan ko kung mabibideo ko yung aming live.
If we had a game, and then I'd do after the top an hour, share each other's thoughts, sort of wisdom.
Ito yung ginagamit namin bola.
Well,
Yan. Tapos ito yung bat niya. Ang bat niya.
and then rotate around like that. Yeah, and it seems to work quite right. Yeah. That was Mel.
Yeah.
Should we do what we normally do? Have a sort of a care? What are you? Manage to get out your road? Yeah.
Cricket stretching. I only have a
We've been
football
doing this, having a sort of a game.
Same.
And the two players have 3 overs, and then rotating around. Yeah, and then
So magre-ready na kami. It's 11:30 now. 11:30 until 12:30 yung aming cricket game. So, let's see. Enjoy tayo. Ready na sila doon. So, dito po sa Hereford Cricket Center. Minsan pwede ka mag-practice doon ng mga throwing of balls on that side there. Ready! Aim! Fire! So ako yung magbabat na. Yeah! Yeah! Ang sarap maglaro ng cricket. Dito kami ngayon. Nagre-ready lang sila dyan. Madami sila. So, ito yung mga bats. Debate lang sila dito.
I really enjoyed it, but I am done in now.
Me too.
So that's cricket. 1 hour is finished, but we have another 10 minutes so we can play some throwing and batting of balls here. So that's Joby and Roger. So yung iba mag-uuwian na sila. Kami we can still the Ed Price cricket nets. So this is where you can practice throwing and batting. There's some nets around on the side. So ito yung net. So doon yung pwedeng mag-throw ng ball doon. Dito ka mag-hit ng bola. Ayun pala, dalawahan naman pala kami. So okay lang. Pa-practice lang kami dito. I don't know.
Good. Was it the risk? Ah, okay. I didn't know that. Yep. Oh.
Nice.
Kind of wet there.
Sorry, wide. It's okay.
Shot.
Yeah. That's the problem. All right.
Yeah, next time again. Nice shot, mate.
Nice.
Tapos din, practice namin. Yeah, we enjoyed that.
Really good.
Really good. Mag-relax muna kami sandali kasi napagod kami sa paglalaro. Nag-extended kami ng mga 10 minutes lang to practice batting and bowling, so which is good. So we have, how many we had today? 9 of us?
9.
So it's 9 of us today. Last time was a bit better last time, wasn't it?
What do you mean? But more than
Number.
last time. Yeah,
More
more
than
than
last
last
time.
time. Kasi na-including Peach.
Oh yeah. And Kate, si Kate.
I don't
I
know
don't
what
remember.
means.
Yeah, so hopefully next week we'll have some more members to come and try. Yeah. So thank you guys again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it.